balance of that sunshine and less humidity across the News Channel 7 viewing area. To your headlines, we'll get some changes in there, but tonight we stay mostly clear. Maybe past midnight we'll see some patchy fog developing. Tomorrow we track an upper level disturbance that's going to fire off some showers, maybe some thunderstorms as we get into the evening and into the overnight, and maybe lasting into Thursday as well. Canadian high pressure kind of is back in the forecast for Friday and then especially for Saturday. And then we'll start to see, again, more changes for the weekend, and that means maybe some strong to severe thunderstorms by the end of the weekend into Sunday and Monday. Your almanac, 77 degrees, so a little bit cooler, and I talked about less mugginess out there. We were in the 80s yesterday into the upper 70s today, just below average, but our lows right in line where we should be. Again, tomorrow we'll crank in a southwest wind, and that means temperatures will make a run at 80 degrees. Here we go on our Anago sky cam, mostly clear. A few puffy cumulus clouds trapped underneath that big dome of high pressure. Temperatures this too and dandy out there. 69 in Anago, 78 for Shawano. A handful of 70s across the area, 73 for Rhinelander, 78 for Wautoma, and a pair of 77s for Adams and Wisconsin Rapids. A northwest wind has been ushering in cooler temperatures and drier conditions. And again, as I mentioned, tomorrow we're going to see a southwest wind poke back in, so that means these 40s and 50s for dew points will surge back into the 60s. So that's a dryness we can wave goodbye to, and the mugginess will be back. Satellite radar combination showing the clear skies over the Badger State. We still have high pressure back in place, but that will begin to march off towards the east, and that means our next disturbance coming together a little bit here, a line of energy up towards southern Canada and the Dakotas. That will kind of come together here and pivot in across the Badger State for tomorrow. And that means showers and thunderstorms could start out as early as the afternoon hours. So your futurecast has things a little bit quicker here in terms of showers and thunderstorms. It looks like it'll start into our northern counties and then drive down to the south and to the east with a weak little front as well. Now Thursday we could still see an isolated, a scattered chance of some showers and thunderstorms. Anything that takes place and generates tomorrow and Thursday, any of those storms, we could be looking at some small hail and some gusty winds and certainly some rain, but it looks like the severe weather threat, that will be low. Potential rainfall through 8 o'clock on Thursday, anywhere I think from a quarter to a half an inch. Wherever thunderstorms take place, we could be looking at 3/4 to maybe an inch of rain again by late Thursday. Late Thursday, Friday, Saturday, we're looking at much drier conditions. 56 tonight, mostly clear skies. Again, patchy fog will develop late tonight. 79 for tomorrow. We'll start with some morning sunshine, and then the clouds will be back. It will be warm. It'll be muggy with storms possibly late into the day and into the night hours. So 79 tomorrow. There'll be a number of spots, I think, into the 80s. 76 for Thursday, a little bit cooler because some of the clouds and the rain still sticking around at times. And then we clear things out for Friday, Saturday. Canadian high pressure sinks back in, so we'll have a north wind on Friday, but then a south wind Saturday, so that's going to return some of those dew points back in the 60s, and that's going to bring kind of the ingredients we need for strong to severe thunderstorms potentially for Sunday and Monday. It's still a few days out. We'll be watching that very closely, and 76 by next Tuesday.